Want to trade with the trend instead of against it? Use one smooth line to spot reliable trend direction and reversals. Meet the big trend indicator. The big trend indicator is basically a smoothed moving average with color changes that makes trend detection cleaner and less noisy. When the line is light blue, it signals a bullish trend. When it turns tomato, reddish, that's a bearish signal. How to use it? 1. Use it as a trend filter. Only take buys when the big trend is light blue, sells when it's tomato. 2. Watch for retracements toward the big trend line. Price should pull back and then reject, e.g. via a reversal candle, as it touches that line. 3. Or use color changes and crossovers. When price crosses the line and it flips color, that could signal a fresh trend reversal. Buy rule. Example. Price above big trend line. Line is light blue, sloping upward. Price retraces down to the line and shows a rejection candle. Enter long when confirmation appears. Sell rule. Example. Price below big trend line. Line is tomato, sloping downward. Price retraces up to the line and shows rejection. Enter short on confirmation. Risk tip. Use a stop loss just beyond the recent swing high for sells or swing low for buys. Also, if the big trend line flips color before price even reaches it, that's a heads up. Maybe skip that setup and wait for the next valid signal. The big trend gives you a clean trend on-off switch, plus dynamic support, chart resistance in one. Want the indicator, templates, and setup files? Go to forexmt4indicators.com and download them free today.